Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Creatine monohydrate increases muscle energy by replenishing cellular ATP during short efforts. It is a naturally occurring compound in muscle and food sources. Most research shows it improves strength and power during high-intensity exercise. Typical maintenance dose is 3 to 5 grams daily for most adults. You can choose a loading protocol of 20 grams per day divided into 4 5-gram servings for 5 to 7 days. Loading saturates muscle faster, but is optional for long-term benefits. Measure creatine precisely using a scale or provided scoop for consistent dosing. Mix 3 to 5 grams with 8 to 12 ounces of water or juice for each serving. If you choose to load, take 4 5-gram doses daily for 5 to 7 days. After your workout is the most practical time to take creatine for many people. Take creatine after workouts with 40 to 50 grams of carbohydrates to improve uptake and glycogen restoration. On non-training days, take your 3 to 5 gram maintenance dose anytime with a meal. Creatine is well studied and appears safe for healthy adults when taken responsibly. Stay well hydrated and drink extra water when supplementing with creatine to reduce cramping risk. Long-term use of 3 to 5 grams daily appears safe for healthy adults in clinical studies. Common side effects are mild and include bloating or stomach upset in some people. Consult your healthcare provider before starting if you have kidney disease or other medical concerns. Store the powder in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.